proposés, 6 days square base, turn to 117 departure, office on the southeastbound, runway 35, clear to 290. 27 left. 684, thanks, and 140 heading out just fine, contact departure, good day. Thank you, that's it, I have one inbound, then I'll have you out.
Okay, I'll get a 3684 out of 1,000 for 5.
3684, you didn't flip the switch. And before you go, 3315 code, Allegheny 3634, 3315 code, contact departure.
The ground United 95 approaches spot 9 with Yankee.
711, a mile outside ridge.
11, right down with 2 right, turn land with 230 at 19.
52 right.
13, contact departure, good day.
13.
Start 755, turn right. Foxtrot, you got it there, ground sign.
Foxtrot 19,
United 1561 is Wilt inbound on the 27 left approach.
Departure wind to city 3463, 3,250 sign.
1561.
That's 751, left turn, class 2 right down,
30.
1
Clear across point 9, left down to 751.
7 left, wind check.
At 854, heavy 27 left, clear to land, the wind 220 at 20.
Clear to land, 27 left. 1171, ridge inbound.
1545, turn right at Fox, contact ground point 9.
Point 9, right.
1121, 22 right, turn land with 22017.
Clear to land, 228, yeah, 1171.
24, class 27 right into the north road next. Surround them, Bravo to the assembly box, and you're ready to come out, call ground 21 9.